don't care what you ate for dinner. Snooter don't care that you're not a winner, no. He just snoots. Snooter don't care what you tip your waiter. Snooter don't care that you're a player hater, no. He just snoots. Snooter don't care what you think about him. Snooter don't care that you sometimes doubt him. He just snoots and snoots and snoots and snoots and snoots and snoots.
Wait, I'm not done yet.
Snooter don't care how you take your coffee. Snooter don't care that you love good toffee, no. He just snoots. Snooter don't care that you ride a scooter. Snooter don't mess with your new computer, no. 'Cause he just snoots. Snooter can't do the things you ask, 'cause he never learned how to multitask. He just snoots and snoots and snoots and snoots and snoots and snoots. Snooter don't care what you did last summer. Snooter don't care that your life's a bummer, no. 'Cause he just snoots. Snooter don't care about your date last fall. Snooter don't care about your blow-up doll. He just snoots and snoots and snoots and snoots and snoots and snoots. Rainbow waiting by my window. Rainbow singing at my door. And the Georgia pines and dandelions are bobbing in the careless summer breeze. Sunshine skipping on the sidewalk. Sunshine not as bright as you. When you shattered free, you blinded me, and now I'm seeing stars around my head. And it's all I know. You're the afterglow that never fades. Tadpole squiggle in the water. Tadpole dancing toward the light. From a pollywog into a frog in 20 seconds flat. Well, how about that? Mayfly skimming on the water. Mayfly only for the day. And if love is just a fleeting whim, then why is it you never dimmed away? And it's all I know. You're the afterglow that never fades. After all these years of living in your shadow, after all these the sun. But I never try to close my eyes. I never want to hide you in the dark. Oh, and it's all I know. You're the afterglow that never fades. Oh, and it's all I know. You're the afterglow. So just take it slow until the sun falls low. Then light me up. There's a little girl in Skibbereen with flowing hair and ragged jeans and floating in a vivid dream as classes go by. And every day at 3 o'clock she's out the door and down the block and hurries to the river dock, a gleam in her eyes. And everything's fine for the day. There's nothing to get in the way of her smile, and there's never a care for tomorrow, 'cause Molly's a princess today. Oh, la 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 la. The barricade's a castle wall, 47 miles tall. The river's got a waterfall, the moat is so deep. The cedar trees are canopies, a ceiling made of needle leaves. A buzzing fleet of honeybees are guarding the keep. And no one can take this away. What lives in her mind will remain there to stay. And there's never a care for tomorrow, 'cause Molly's a princess today. Oh, la 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 la. Real life can be lifeless and cold when your heart grows up and gets old. The dreams of your past never quite seem to last in a future that's so far away. But here in this place, you know, Molly is a princess today. In a little while it's dinner time. She leaves the kingdom in her mind, a bookmark in the storyline. A chapter is done. The mystery of what will be tomorrow when the clock strikes 3. There beneath the cedar trees the princess will come. And there's nothing that she couldn't do when she closes her eyes and imagines the view. And there's never a care for tomorrow.